The success in the information age, of which 7 billion people live, is now beyond classical methods. We need more efficient, more active, faster, and richer training models. It is high time we embrace the future. United Science Colleges, which follows the innovations in education around the world and aims to develop the abilities of our students, has started the Brain Games lesson in primary schools for the first time in Kurdistan and Iraq as of 2018-2019 academic year. Brain games are simply fun activities and challenges that jog your mind. They make you think hard, strategize, plan, and remember information that will help you defeat opponents. There are theoretical, like books, and practical, like games in labs applications of brain games. Brain games are taught in first, second, and third classes as a part of mathematics lesson. Brain games set includes the following games: Tangram, 3 Stone, Skippity, Roll, Metaforms, Dizzyus, and many other games. Brain games improve your memory and enhance your reaction time. They also enable faster thinking and improve cognitive abilities and concentration level. With the practice of these games, you will have a better understanding of things and will learn to strategize, plan, and do your things independently. Our brain games lessons are ready. How about you?